everyone. All of you familiar with this proverb, right? We realize that curiosity can lead to dangerous experiences, but experiences is also the best teacher. At the end of the day, all's well that ends well. This is the concept of the story Golu Grows a Nose, Chapter 5, written by Rudyard Kipling. First of all, let's know about the author. Joseph Rudyard Kipling was an American novelist, short story writer, poet and journalist. He was born in India, which inspired much of his work. Jungle Book was one of the famous work of Rudyard Kipling. Shall we consider the summary now? Okay, let's start. It was a time when the elephant had no trunk. Golu was a baby elephant. So, our main character in the story, Golu, it is a baby elephant. He had only a bulgy nose. He could only move it from side to side, but he could not pick up things with it. He had full of questions. Questions like, he asked his aunt, the ostrich, why she did not ever fly like other birds. And he asked his tall uncle, the giraffe, why his skin has spots. He asked the hippopotamus why his eyes were always red. Finally, he asked the monkeys why melon tasted like melons. So this was all about the questions of Golu. One day, Golu, the small elephant, asked the Myna Bird what the crocodile always had for dinner. The bird directed him to the Limpopo river to find out. Taking a lot of sugar canes, bananas and melons, he went to the great river. He met pythons and put his questions and got no reply. Golu moved on the river bank when he saw a long wood. It was really the cunning crocodile. It was not wood, that was a crocodile. Golu put his questions to him. He told that he would give the reply in his ear. It caught Golu by the nose and told that today he would eat the elephant. It started dragging him hard into the stream. Golu cried for help. The python came and coiled fast round Golu's stomach. Both pulled very hard. At each pull, Golu's nose grew longer and longer. He was free at last. In 2 days, his nose grew cool, but it did not shrink. Instead, it turned into a trunk. However, it proved to be very advantageous. Golu first hit a stinging fly dead with his trunk. Then, he plucked the grass and put it into his mouth. The trunk enabled him to dig up some mud and throw it on his head. He thanked the python for its help. Okay, my dear students, this was all about the chapter Golu Grows a Nose. This is a small story. It's a story of a small elephant named as Golu who accidentally got a long nose. I hope all of you like this story very well. Now let's move on to the question answer session of this lesson. Question number 1. Whom does Golu ask? Why don't you ever fly like other birds? Answer. Golu asks the ostrich why it does not fly like other birds. Question number 2. Which uncle of Golu had red eyes? Answer. Golu's huge uncle Hippopotamus had red eyes. Question number 3. Golu's relatives did not answer his questions because option 1. They were shy. Option 2. The questions were too difficult. Option 3. Golu was a naughty boy. And the answer is option 2. The questions were too difficult. Move on to the next question. Question number 4. Who advised Golu to go to the Limpopo river? Answer. The Myna Bird advised Golu to go to the Limpopo river. Question number 5. Why did Golu go to the river? Answer. Golu went to the Limpopo river to find out what the crocodile had for dinner. Question number 6. The crocodile lay on the bank of the Limpopo river. Golu thought it was option 1. A living crocodile. Option 2. A dead crocodile. Option 3. A log of wood. Answer is a log of wood. Option 3. So my dear students, it's an interesting story, right? Let's conclude this session. Meet you in next video with another interesting chapter for you. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.